In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user in a self-hosted n8n instance. If you're familiar with n8n, you know it's a powerful tool for automating workflows and saving time on repetitive tasks. Adding a new user to your n8n instance can be incredibly useful when you want to collaborate with colleagues or simply share access with team members. Today, I'm going to guide you through the process step by step, ensuring that it's as straightforward as possible. First things first, you'll need to sign in to your n8n instance as the owner. This is crucial because only an owner has the necessary permissions to add new users and manage settings. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the bottom left of your screen. Here, you'll see your user icon. Right next to it, there's a button represented by three dots, often referred to as the settings menu. Click on that to proceed. Upon clicking the three dots, a menu will appear, offering a few different options. From this menu, you should select Settings. This is the hub where you can manage various aspects of your n8n instance, including user management. After entering the settings area, look for the option labeled Users. This will bring you to a dedicated page where you can view all current users associated with your instance and add new ones. It's a crucial part of managing your team's access and ensuring that everyone who needs to can collaborate seamlessly. Once you're on the Users page, direct your attention to the top right-hand corner. Here, you'll find the Invite button. Click this to start the invitation process for adding a new user. Next, a dialog box will appear, prompting you to enter an email address. This should be the email address of the person you wish to invite. Type it in carefully as it's essential that it's correct. Otherwise, your new user might not receive the invitation. After entering the email, there may be some additional fields depending on your specific setup, but typically, once the email is in, you'll be ready to send out that invitation. After you've entered the email address, go ahead and send the invite. The person you've invited will receive an email prompting them to join your n8n instance. Once they accept and follow the instructions within that email, they'll be part of your user group, ready to assist in managing workflows and automating tasks. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new user to your self-hosted n8n instance. By following these steps, you're on your way to improving team collaboration and efficiency. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.